Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our Gloves Tube YouTube channel. In this video, we will break down the top 4 disposable gloves for cleaning. Disposable gloves are standard equipment in the medical, food prep, and cleaning industries. They're an inexpensive way to protect hands from harmful chemicals, bacteria, viruses, dirt, and other health threats. Single-use gloves come in a range of materials and types and have differing levels of protection, comfort, and durability. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. GloveWorks Disposable Gloves. Amex GloveWorks Orange is a bright 8 mils thick model, which is more than enough for any job a mechanic might do. In addition, these gloves are elastic, puncture-resistant, and have beaded cuffs so you can put them on effortlessly. While rubber gloves for mechanics may cause allergies, this item is undoubtedly meant for those who are allergic to natural rubber as they are 100% latex-free. Compared to black Infi-Touch gloves that have micro-textured fingertips, this orange product has raised diamond texture. They come in a box of 100 pieces or a case of 1,000, while their rival has only a pack of 100 pieces. The outside is textured with small bumps that greatly increase friction when working with wet or greasy materials, thereby reducing the risk of dropping whatever you're holding. Given the extra thickness of the gloves, they offer a relatively decent amount of temperature resistance. That, combined with their gippy outers, makes them great for dishwashing or automotive work. These gloves are quite thick, and if you are performing delicate tasks that require serious dexterity and tactile sensation, they might give you some trouble. While they do slide on easily, it takes a bit of tugging to get them off. All in all, these are the most versatile and rugged gloves that are ideal for kitchen, cleaning, automotive, or any other messy work you find yourself doing. At number 2. Curid Disposable Gloves. If you are looking for reliable medical gloves for the office or home, these Curid latex exam gloves offer high dexterity and advanced protection from bacteria and other pathogens. The gloves are available in small, large, and medium size, and are positively reviewed for their flexibility, excellent fit, and enhanced tactile sensitivity. The surface of the gloves is textured for a more secure grip. With excellent stretch and flexibility, disposable latex gloves provide an excellent fit when enhanced tactile sensitivity is needed. Powder-free latex gloves are a comfortable choice when you need a tight, form-fitting disposable glove. These Curid gloves are not latex-free, but are powder-free and textured. Choose from sizes small, medium, large, and XL. A great-fitting disposable glove will completely change the way you work, improving your grip, dexterity, and performance. Curid offers a variety of gloves to fit every need, from basic care to heavy duty. Shop the gloves below to find the right glove for your task. At number 3. Vinyl Gloves. Vinyl offers adequate protection when handling most chemicals, and it's comfortable to wear. These MedPride gloves are not as flexible as ones made from nitrile or latex. They're a more budget-friendly option. They're 4 mils thick, putting this glove in the mid-duty range for strength. It has a low rating for chemical resistance. These MedPride gloves are best suited for food preparation, pet care, or any low-risk activity that does not involve harsh chemicals. Vinyl is also naturally anti-static, so the gloves are suited for use in electrical tasks. These gloves come in a box of 100, available in small, medium, large, and extra-large sizes. These MedPride gloves are the least expensive vinyl gloves per pair on the list and are especially useful for frequent glove changes. It is crafted with a 4 mils thick PVC. These versatile medical gloves are stronger than nitrile or latex while still giving you the dexterity and control you need for needles or equipment. These vinyl medical exam gloves can be used by emergency personnel, home or hospice care, lab technicians, elder care specialists, veterinarian and medical staff, and dental professionals. They also come in small, medium, large, and X-large sizes for more versatility. They come in compact, stackable boxes, they're easy to store, and they're also disposable for quick, safe, and simple cleanup. At number 4. Clinovex Disposable Gloves. The Clinovex disposable vinyl slides on and off without much issue. They run fairly true to size, and if anything, a little large. These gloves combine dexterity and comfort while providing an effective barrier against dirt during lightweight tasks. The thick vinyl has minimal stretch and is somewhat restrictive when performing delicate tasks. These gloves offer mediocre cut and puncture resistance and little protection from hot water. They're ideal for cleaning or food service work where you'll be running through gloves all day long, and dexterity isn't as important. These are latex-free for people with sensitive skin. Powder-free leaves no residue on hands and helps reduce irritation. Lighter and softer than standard vinyl gloves with a rolled cuff for easy opening, quick donning, and removal. Ambidextrous design allows each glove to comfortably fit on either hand. Ideal for applications which require frequent glove changes including industrial use, food preparation, household cleaning, repairs, painting, beauty and salon, pet care, and more. Non-medical use. Non-sterilized. Non-elastic. They are available in multiple sizes. Please reference the sizing chart in the product description below. Each box comes with 100 disposable vinyl gloves. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.